When looking into how digital banks operate, one of the most common questions is who handles the actual backend banking, the infrastructure that holds the deposits and processes the transactions. This is often the case for neobanks that don't hold their own full banking license. For the Swiss digital bank, Neon, their core banking services are provided by a regulated and established partner. This partner is Hypothekarbank Lenzburg, a traditional Swiss bank. Hypothekarbank Lenzburg holds the necessary banking license and manages the customer accounts. This means when you deposit money into your Neon account, your funds are actually held by Hypothekarbank Lenzburg. This arrangement is crucial because it ensures that client funds benefit from Swiss deposit protection up to 100,000 Swiss francs, as required by Swiss law. Neon focuses on the customer-facing side, the mobile app, user experience, feature development, and marketing. They essentially build a modern layer on top of their partner bank's established, regulated infrastructure. This collaborative model allows Neon to innovate rapidly while relying on a regulated partner for the essential security and compliance of the back-end banking operations. This partnership is what enables Neon to offer a digital-only service with an official Swiss account and IBAN, all without holding a full banking license itself. It's a common strategy in the fintech world. The fintech handles the front-end user experience, and the partner bank manages the regulated and complex banking ledger and security, ensuring your money is safe.